going to show to you how to win 1 million using this 60 Toto. Okay, as you know, 60 Toto is 1 ringgit is exchanged to 100,000 and 10 ringgit to exchange 1 million. So if you need 1 million, you got to have this 10 ringgit to exchange for 1 million. All right. So let's say you have Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. You have 4 weeks in a month. So all you need to have 3 ringgit times 4. So you invest on 12 ringgit times 12 months. All you need to invest is only RM144 per year. Alright, to get your 1 million. Alright, okay, right? It's only 144 to get this 1 million. Okay, so all you need to get is to have your own IC number. Alright, let's say your IC number is 870102075278. Alright, so all you need is to add on this number. Okay, to add on this number, 8 plus 1 is equals to 6. Okay, 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 2, 7, 7. 8 plus 7 is equals to 6. Alright, so once you get this number, you need to add on the power number. This is the power number. Alright, this is the power number. So all you need to add on this 3. Alright, 3 and 6. Alright, and 9. Remember, to add on your power number, you got to add on 1, 2, 3, 6, and 9, the second layer. Alright, so what you get on the on the first phase, alright. Oh, remember, this is group. This is group. Alright, this is group. Okay, so on your first phase, you get this number 6, 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, 14, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You get this 7, 7, and you get this is 12. So you need to get the answer of 6, 1, add on this number 5, 7, 7, 3. Okay, on your second phase, all you need to add on is another power number, not on the third column. Alright, you add on the second column, 1, 2. Right, so you add on 3. Right, add on 1, 2, 1, 2. Right, number 7. Right, you add on 6, 6, and add on 9. Okay, so your answer, you will get 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Right, right, this is the answer. Right, 1 plus 5 is equal to 5. 1, 6, 7, 7, and 3. So to add on the second phase, on the second power number, okay, you need to add on 3, 6, 9 on the second phase, on the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the second column. So ignore the top one, add on only this. So you get 6, 4, 5. Okay, 7 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. you get 7, and you get 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12. So your number is 6, 4, 5, 13, 7, and 12. Alright, 7 and 12. So you need to add on. The answer is equal to 6, 4, 5, 4, 7, and 3. Okay, so this is the answer. 6, 4, 5, 7, and 3. So, okay, so once you get this number, alright, this is your semi-final. Consider it's just a semi-final number. If get your number 6, 4, 5, 4, 7, and 3, you add on another 3, 6, 9 on the first column. 3, 6, 9. Alright, so you will get number 9, number 4, 11, 4, 16, and 3. Alright, so once you have these three numbers, add all together, you will get the last one is 4, 9, 4, 2, 4, 7, and 3. So once you have this number, you get your final number of your 1 million. 1 million. Alright, total. Okay, 60 is equals to 9, 4, 2, 4, 7, 3. Okay, let's say you want to have another power number to win more chances. Okay, more chances. All you need to do is to add on 3, 6, 9 from the back. Alright, so you need to add on 3, 6, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 3, 6, and 9, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so you get 3, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 2, 4, 9, 10, 15. Alright, so you get the final one is 6, 4, 2, 7, 7, 3. Alright, so this is your final number, and this is the booster. To add on another 3, 6, 9 from the back. Alright, okay, 3, 6, 9, yeah? 3, 6, 9 from the back. Here, 3, 6, and another one 9 from the back. Alright, can you see? Let me recap it for you. Right, to have your 1 million, you need 10 ringgit for 1 million. Alright, so all you need to do is to have your IC number. Alright, add on your IC number to get this power number on the 3, 6, and 9. Once you get this power number add up, okay, you get this 615773. This is your first phase. So you need a second phase to add on another 3, 6, 9 on the second one, the second brick. This is the first brick. First brick, you are using this third. 1, 2, 3. Second phase, you are using second block. So 3, 6, 9. So you get 6, 4, 5, 13, 7, 12. So on the final phase, you get this number. You add on another 3, 6, 9 on the first phase. The first brick. So you add on 3, 6, 9. Okay? You have 6 number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you add on another 3, 6, 9 on the first phase. 6 and 9. So you get the answer here. Alright? So you get this answer, you add on this into 7, this into 2. So you get 9, 4, 2, 4, 7, 3. So this is your number. 942473, right? This is your 1 million Toto number. But to have a booster, you need to add on another 369 from the back. All right. So this is the power number. Remember, add on from the back. So you add on 3, 6, and 9. So this number 4, you have 2 times to add, 3 and 9. So you get 3, 7, 16, 2, 4, and 15. So you add on all together. This is number 7, this is number 6. So you get 3, 7, 7, 2, 6, 6, 4. So this is the number. The booster number. Alright. Okay. So I think it's worth when you invest this power number. Alright, this power number for only 144 per year, the chances to win 1 million. Right? For only RM1 ringgit. Equals to 100K. Right? So remember to subscribe to our channel. Alright. Okay. So let me show you again. This is the power number. To have your IC number, to add on 369. After that, you have the number. You add on the first phase to get your number on the second phase. So you get on the number second phase, you add on 369 on the second brick. This is on the third brick. Alright, the first phase is on the third brick. So you get on the second brick. 369. Once you get on the second phase, the answer. Alright. You add on 369 again on the first brick. 369. 6, 5, and 7. So once you get the answer, you get the final one is here. Alright. Once you get the final one, this is the final one. So your number to get 1 million is this number. 942473. Alright. But to have your booster, you need 369. More chances for you to win. Alright. So when you have more chances for you to win, you got to add 963 from the back. Okay, from the back. So you get this number. 3, 6, and 9. Alright, from the back. Okay. So you got to add 369 on this number. So once you get the answer, you get the final one, 642773. You see the difference between this number and this number is the multiply of 77. Alright, you have more chances on double number. This now double number is mostly come out on the Toto, right? Toto will come out on 77, 11, on 333, right? You see the difference, 642773, 94273, 94273, 642773. See the difference, the tone. Alright. So the allogram of this number is have to have your chances to win. This is the booster. Alright. So remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye. Okay, good.